Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net, and this is your look ahead updated on Monday the 1st of June. Yes, it is June, despite the temperature out there, despite the rain and despite the wind. June has finally arrived. And that means that meteorologically speaking, today is the first day of summer. Don't laugh. Now, first up today, reminder that we've issued an updated premium video which has got all our summer and autumn weather guidance on it. This is valid from June through to November. Now, bear in mind that this forecast is charged for, and it's charged for because it gives you the same information that our private clients are receiving from us, so it gives you the opportunity to be able to get hold of that information earlier. It's a detailed video, and it goes into explaining why we think the weather will evolve as it will, and also covers all the uncertainties surrounding the forecast as well, because of course, as you know, things can change. But that video is available for you to view now, and all you need to do is to click onto the screen here and it'll take you to that video. Interesting to see the 7 to 10 day mean of the 500 millibar flow. We've got the ECMWF on the left here, the GFS is on the right, and this is valid from next Monday through to Thursday the 11th. And what's interesting here, look, is to notice both models developing higher than normal heights, look, across the UK and also through much of northern parts of Europe there. And that really is cementing the idea that high pressure is going to try and build in during next week. Trough down towards the southwest here, look, on both models as well. So there's actually reasonable agreement between the two, although it's very, very difficult at the moment to try and pin them down in the shorter term. But most models go for the idea of higher pressure building in next week. The CFS has really been struggling. This is yesterday's CFS. Week 1, low than normal heights to the north, higher than normal down towards the south. Week 2, look, shows the low than normal heights still up towards the north. There's the higher than normal heights building into the west with a cold north-northwesterly flow. So you'd be forgiven for thinking that high pressure wasn't building in there. Week 3 looked like this, with quite an uncertain pressure regime, a col actually across the country with low to the south, to the north, high to the west, high to the east. And then week 4 looked like that, with a high trying to build back in again up towards the north. That always looked a little bit iffy, and in fact today's CFS is now coming back online. This is the forecast from tropicaltidbits.com, and it's the forecast for the next 5 days, showing, look, the low than normal heights towards the north, higher than normal towards the south. There's that southwesterly flow, the jet screaming through here, and it's that bringing us the unsettled weather in the next couple of days. But into the second 5 day period, this is from the 6th of June through to the 11th, so this is as we head into the back end of the weekend and into next week. Look, you can see the heights starting to build, particularly here towards the east. Notice there the trough down towards the southwest that's going to be packing its way slowly eastwards, bringing some pretty hefty showers into western parts of Europe. But then notice what happens as we get into the period the 11th to the 16th. Ridge building through the country, higher than normal heights up here. We're going to find low pressure down here. That brings in more of an easterly, and as I said before, we've got an east to southeasterly, which puts a tendency towards more unsettled thundery rain across the south of the country at times. Dry conditions tending to be up towards the north. And then the CFS trying its best to hold on to that area of high pressure in days 16 to 20, has it towards the northwest, still with the ridge, low down here though, and trying to make things more unsettled across more southern parts of the country, but keeping Scotland generally drier. And then finally into days 21 to 25, still got the threat of the low down here, higher than normal heights towards the north. The low can get in, pushing rain back northwards during the course of this week. So the CFS is trying to pick up and trying to tell the story of this high building towards the north and things breaking down towards the south as outbreaks of rain try to move in. And really, that ties in with our theme of a more unsettled second half to June. Okay, I'll leave you with that for now, but thanks again for watching. Don't forget to view our premium forecast for all the details for summer through autumn. But for now, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.